This week I'm testing the Audi A3 Sportback. It's a small 5-seater hatch, and these are my top 3 family-friendly baby drive features. Don't forget to like and subscribe and follow us on our socials. Number 1 is for a small hatchback like this, we could get 2 Infasecure child seats nicely in the back. The Isofix are really nice and easy to use in the Audi A3 Sportback, and legroom is good too. We could get a 180cm passenger in front of a rear-facing Infasecure child seat, or a 186cm driver in front of a forward-facing one. Number 2 is the boot floor of the Audi A3 Sportback drops down about 10 centimetres, which gives you a lot of extra storage space in here. It is especially handy to fit twin or double prams in because you've got stacking room on top. Number 3 is the drive. The Audi A3 Sportback is a fantastic nippy little car to drive, and I just found it really nice and easy around town and great for our little family of 4. I have really enjoyed driving the Audi A3 Sportback with my family this week. To see the full review, go to BabyDrive.com.au.